Flying bikes take off, Volonaut Airbike and Hoversurf Hoverbike S3 revolutionize personal transport. The dream of flying motorcycles has long captured the imagination of sci-fi fans and futurists. Today, that dream inches closer to reality with two groundbreaking innovations, the Volonaut Airbike and the Hoversurf Hoverbike S3. The Volonaut Airbike, a sleek new entrant in the aerial mobility scene, brings minimalism and innovation together. With a futuristic design resembling a hybrid of a drone and a motorcycle, it uses multiple rotors to lift off vertically and fly over varied terrain. Compact and seemingly intuitive to pilot, the Airbike offers an exhilarating low-altitude flight experience. The design emphasizes balance, control, and user-friendly operation, ideal for short-distance commutes or adventure travel in remote areas. Its lightweight frame and advanced stabilization make it appealing not only for tech enthusiasts but also for potential emergency response or military scouting. On the other end of the spectrum is the Hoversurf Hoverbike S3, a more aggressive, performance-driven machine developed in Dubai. Featuring a carbon fiber body and quad-rotor layout, the S3 is built for high speeds and agility. Capable of flying at altitudes up to 16 feet with a maximum flight time of around 25 minutes, the S3 has already turned heads in military and police trials. The S3 offers a more rugged, powerful feel, aligning more with the needs of tactical applications or extreme sports. Both vehicles mark a turning point in personal aviation, offering a glimpse into a future where flying to work might not be just a fantasy. Whether for thrill seekers or professionals, the era of the hoverbike has officially begun. How about the next information? Keep watching the next information, only on Moto Rider. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so that we can build this channel together. Thank you and see you.